Hey guys, if you're hungry and short on time, this instant chicken fry will save your day. Welcome back to my channel, Food Vision Hub. Today I'll be making a super quick and delicious instant chicken fry. It's crispy, juicy and ready just in few minutes. Let's get straight into the recipe. Here I've used 700 grams of chicken. To this adding 2 tablespoons of curd. And I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, followed by 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm adding handful of slit up green chilies and a bowl of coriander leaves and some amount of mint leaves. Adding half bowl of onions, squeeze a half lemon juice, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now mix it completely with your hands. And marinate this for 30 minutes. Now to the pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, heat it up. Add 4 cloves, 2 cardamom and 1 inch cinnamon stick. Saute for 2 minutes. Now we'll add up the marinated chicken. Now we'll cook it on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. At this stage, you can adjust the quantity of water. Now we'll again cook it for 20 minutes on the medium flame. Now our chicken is cooked and ready. We'll drizzle some coriander leaves on the top. Now our quick and easy instant chicken fry is ready. Now let's plate it. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.